guys. So yes, finally I got my first Boxycharm bags, and it's my first time, and it's a month of February, because I mean I really wanted to try this one, but of course I don't have the money yet. But this time I have it because it's February and it's my birth month, and I love the February items in the box. So I told my husband that I really need to get this Boxycharm. So I try it, and look, they said that it will be delivered on Monday, but it's too early. I just get it today before I go for a jog. I check my mailbox and I have it, so I'm gonna try it to show you guys, and I'm gonna try on. Okay, so before further ado, let's do it. If you are new to my channel, just don't forget to hit the bell button so you can see my upcoming videos and giveaways that I'm doing, and of course please hit the subscribe, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, and thank you so much for your support to me. And tada, they have this afterglow. Call it afterglow. They have this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I never heard this one because I'm not really fan of those facial cleanser, because my face is those some facial cleanser. I tried the clinic one and I'm sticking to that because they said that will help my breakout, so and my acne, so I'm trying that one for the meantime. And they have this Pretty Vulgar Shimmers one, the shade of 41 in highlighter. It's very cute. And by the way guys, this one what is this one? The facial cleanser. This is marked down with $22. So I paid this box for $21 monthly. So in just these items, you already get the 21 that we paid. And next is the Pretty Vulgar. The Pretty Vulgar is $32, marked down with $32 already. And this is a no pore problem primer and touch in Sol with this is $18. I heard a lot of this primer. They said it's very good, and lots of makeup YouTuber they using this one. So I'm excited to use this because I really need a primer. And they have this also. I have a small of this. It's a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the big size, regular size of a Too Faced mascara. This is really good. This is bomb. I mean, it helps to show your mascara, and it make it longer. And this one marked down price is $24. Three Strike Prime and Glazed Lip Crayon, marked down with $25 too. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at that shade. They know what is my favorite shade so far, so I'm happy I got this one also. So I'm gonna show you guys and how guys, this is the look that I use this product. Like, I just use my eyeshadow and my own concealer, my contour, my foundation, and my blush, and of course the brow, and the rest is I use this in this box of Boxycharm February edition, and I probably say that it's really, I love it. I love them all, especially this primer. Ooh, it's to die for. So that's it, guys. I'm sharing with you my February box and my sharing with you guys the box, and the first box that I purchased so far. And by the way, guys, I wanna make an announcement about my giveaways. I'm so sorry, guys, that I haven't made the giveaway yet, cause I mean the raffle yet, cause I'm on vacation right now for my birthday this coming Wednesday, so please bear with me, guys. So I will just do the giveaway this week because it's my Friday. This week, I mean this week, with my family here just in the US, especially my husband. So thank you, guys, and God bless, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.